Fuck yeah. I want pie. What kind of pie you getting?
Triple chocolate.
Are you gonna do that?
No, that's pie, not cake. Cake, yes. Cake you go.
I burped.
I know. Fucking classy.
I am a Didi.
Came out my lip ring.
Did you fucking hate that?
Yeah. No, it comes out the labret more than the lip ring. I like this song. Very typical tearful.
Dear God, fucking save me.
Breaking up and waking up and waking up one more time. No. Gone like a freight train, gone like yesterday. If that falls in there, I'm gonna laugh.
I'm gonna kill you if it does. Can I get some more sweet tea? Awesome. And some creamer too for my sweet tea? Awesome.
You are so bizarre.
I'm Irish. Okay. Okay. Are we gonna have an issue with this again? No, half and half's fine. Thank you. Haha, in your face.
You see the way she treats me?
Was my boob as gorgeous as they are? I can't believe you. What the fuck is your problem? Oh my god. That is. Sorry. You are such an asshole. Katie, you are such a bitch.
I know. Want me to throw it again?
Please, God, don't. Yeah, go ahead. Come on.
I don't know if I can.
Rejected. Do it again. Ow. Now your turn. Whip your shit out.
My shit.
Can you open that for me?
No. You want it in your teeth?
Yes, please. No, I want it down my shirt, Katie. I will kill you. I swear to God. One more.
In your teeth?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, it's just making sure.
What the fuck, Katie? Go, wait.
It's my finger juice.
Okay. Take a shot. One try. I will pay for this if you make it. Oh, you gotta redo it.
Oh.
Let me finish what I'm saying first. If you make this, I will pay. Hurry up because my underwire is digging into me. Bitch.
I'm drunk anyway.
You should have seen what Mark just...
It reminds me of my niece. Well, we gotta do the horns. We gotta do the devil horns. You ready?
It's a video. It's a video. I can freeze frame it.
Okay.
Alright, freeze frame. Ready?
Yes.
Tell us when you're ready, because you're the one in control.
Okay. I got it.
You want one?
Nah, I'm good. High five. I love Waffle House.
Oh, yes. What? What?
That was fucking awesome.
Wait, I got more.
Ow, my thumb. Wait, that one's full too.
Ow!
Hey, it's this song again. Okay, one. Oh.